We want to see the changes from Hamir Grimson, young charges. But for Jamaica, we're seeing Jordan Fletcher there, who is overseeing applying the straight, and we're off. Decent ball, and it's good to see that he's still performing at a decent level.
Sharp. Goal score.
Throwing to the Jamaica team. Decent combination play there from the
function
you can see they're indeed imposing themselves. They're showing Jamaica that
Sule Akala.
God, that was so amazing.
Find your phone.
they have that key player there who
Connect.
continues to play that long ball.
You have one.
To get some touches out of the ball. Trying to build exercise to clear that out. Nice ball. That combination play from the wide areas and then transition into the central areas, and that's what you get when you put ball like that into the box. And nicely dropped for Omar Hutchinson, but he decides to use his skills. The Jamaica team building some momentum. Trying to get one in the box again. Calmly done by King. Out to Dexter. Dexter to Fletcher. Fletcher still on the ball. Fuentes still. Very thin player. And his skills and goals. Dexter whips this one in. That long ball again. That's a decent ball in there. That's a decent ball in there. Based on what we are seeing. that out to Dexter. Out to Dexter. Dexter tries to be from the Jamaica people. Wonderful save by Foster.
Tech.
Well past the 12 from the Jamaica. Trinidad trying to put some passes together themselves, but they may be afraid. The Jamaica team is on the attack through Dwayne Atkinson. Atkinson is on the ball. Atkinson beats one. Atkinson traps one. One Jamaica getting some information from Coach Jaime Gibson. Comes straight into action. Ball back on the way. Dexter Atkinson. Atkinson. Here's it. Morrison. Atkinson. Dexter. Dexter moves on. Back to Atkinson. Atkinson to Dexter. Back to Atkinson. Dexter. Lamar Walker is on the move. Dexter, Walker, Hutchinson, showing some Dexter's on the ball to Morrison. I would like to see Richards dropping and getting some touches at the ball. Decent ball over. Decent ball to Dexter, to Lamar Walker. Dexter. Plays one in.
Appreciate you coming out to the game here tonight, and we do look forward to see you.